All right, ladies and gentlemen, hey, welcome to day 6, graphing using the vertex and the shift. So in class on Friday, we really worked at just identifying what the vertex was. And in class, we also talked about like the line of symmetry. So we're going to use those two things to help us actually graph them now. So, I mean, that's the easiest way. So when we look at the equation, y equals 2 times x plus 5 squared minus 4. Okay, when we look at this, we can quickly identify what the vertex is. Okay, so hopefully based on today in class, you can say, okay, the vertex is found by right here and right here. Okay, so our vertex is negative 5, comma, negative 4. Okay, so we're going to take that knowledge and put it into a table. Okay, our vertex is negative 5, negative 4. Let's not put it there. Let's put it right in the middle. So I'm going to put it right here, negative 5, negative 4. I'm going to pick 2 points around that. Okay, because here's the thing. When we think about, and I talked about this in class, negative 5, negative 4. All right, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here's negative 5, negative 4. Okay, there's my point, my vertex. And we know, based on class today, that the axis of symmetry is x equals negative 5. So that means we've got that imaginary kind of line coming through here. And everything on this parabola is going to be symmetric around that. So we're going to use our vertex, and we're going to pick a point to the left and a point to the right, so a point lower, a point higher. The easiest ones to pick are the ones right next to it. So I would go with negative 6 and negative 4. Okay, so directly around that, and we're going to plug one of those back into the equation. Okay, so we're going to take one of those, put it back up here, 2 times negative 6 plus 5 squared minus 4. Okay, and if you put that in your calculator, you're going to get negative 2. Okay, so that's this point right here. Okay, so negative 6, negative 2. But that also means line of symmetry, it's the same point right here. Negative 6, negative 2. So all you need is those 3 points, and you've got your graph. Okay, it's a little bit easier. Okay, we've simplified things a little bit. Okay, so we're going to do one more together, and then I'm going to give you one to try. Okay, so let's say we've got y equals negative 3x, negative 3 times x minus 6 squared plus 6. Okay, so first thing, vertex. Vertex is 6, comma 6. Okay, so hopefully you see we took the opposite of what's in parentheses and then what's outside the parentheses. All right, so here's our little table. That 6, 6 is going to go right in the middle. Okay, and if you need to visualize this, here's what it looks like. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's going to be like right up here. And again, thinking about that line of symmetry, that x equals 6 line, everything's going to be symmetric around it. So that means if we pick a point lower than 6, 5. And a point higher than 6, 7. They should give us the same values. Okay? So let's plug 5 back in. Negative 3 times 5 minus 6 squared plus 6. Okay, and we get 3. Okay, so that means that this point is 3, and also this point is 3. Okay, so at 5, we're at 1, 2, 3. And at 7, we're at 1, 2, 3. So that was not well done. So there's your graph. Okay, with those 3 points, that's all you need to make your graph. You got one to try. Y equals 0.5 times x minus 5 squared minus 5. Okay, give that a try, and bring any questions you have to class on Monday. Have a super weekend.